chapter I'm going to skip down to is going to be the habit stacking lesson. Again, we've taken this lesson from the book Atomic Habits, where they talk about how to insert a new daily habit into your daily routine, which is what we're trying to do here. Most of you may not have been the most avid readers before joining, and now we're trying to force you to become more avid readers so we can teach you a lot of the mistakes that we've made without necessarily having to put money in the market to make those mistakes and learn them the hard way. And the main premise of this lesson is, again, there's certain things that we do every day. We have, people eat dinner at the same time. Typically, you go to work at the same time, you go to the gym at the same time. Most people unwind in the evening at the same time, and whether it's watching TV or reading. So we want to insert in completing one of the lessons each day into your daily routine and inserting that before a pre-existing habit that you're already doing. And again, we try to make this program where if you can get through one lesson a day, you can get through the entire challenge in the 2 to 3 month period that we typically give you for a free trial. So this is that, again, this main lesson of this chapter here is trying to find that time in your own personal daily routine of where you can insert reading and completing a task daily, making it where it's just much more manageable and consistent versus trying to find the time, randomly, which we all know is not the easiest to do. So again, that's the main premise of that lesson. Again, if you want to dive into that more deeply, the book Atomic Habits is really good on that. And they show you a lot of examples of how they do it much more efficiently.